Meaning of dream.
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 Dream. Dream refers to a series of thoughts, images, and sensations that occur in a person's mind during sleep. It is an involuntary process that happens during the REM phase of sleep. Dreams can be vivid and full of emotions, and can sometimes be interpreted as messages from the subconscious. Some people believe that dreams can reveal insights into one's past, present, and future. However, the exact purpose and meaning of dreams are still not fully understood by scientists and remain a topic of debate and speculation.